Tom Glazer, author of Full Heart Living, here with another nutritious yet delicious recipe. Try it out. This is Sunrise Smoothie. So this is not your everyday smoothie. We do this on the weekends when we have sleepovers for our great nieces and nephews, and they always demand that we make these in the morning. And I found a way to sneak in some tofu so they're getting some protein. It's 3 layers. We're going to start with our yellow layer, 1 banana, along with about 1/3 of a cup of frozen pineapple. I sneak in, do not tell the kids, 1/4 of one of those aseptic packages of tofu. You want the layer thick, so just add a little bit of water at a time. I'll mix all this up. So next we'll do the second layer, which is our pink layer, and that's with about 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries and about 1/3 of a cup of frozen peaches. About 1/2 of what's remaining of that tofu. Finally, our orange layer. This is 1 orange, 1 grated carrot, and about 1/3 of a cup of frozen mango. Remainder of the tofu. A little water. Kids love it, and so does Uncle Tom.